So today is a historic day for the Knicks as we announce that Phil Jackson has been named our team president. One of the most admired and successful basketball minds in the league, Phil's extraordinary history of success includes 13 NBA championships, the first two of which were won right here in New York. He was part of that special group of players led by the great Red Holzman that not only won, but won through teamwork. This is someone who knows about winning, about the importance of a clear vision and how to install a culture that ensures the team wins, like his team did when he played for the Knicks. Today, that clear vision and winning culture have come back to New York. Regardless of our record, when you have a chance to get Phil Jackson to run your team, you do it. Plain and simple. Welcome home, Phil.